How-to videos are what people are searching for when they come to this platform. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the 4 key elements of any how-to video you create for YouTube. We have to remember that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, owned by the largest, which is Google. So how-to videos are what people are searching for when they come onto this platform, for the most part. They have problems that they need solved, so you want to make sure that your video content can help them so that they can eventually learn to trust you and become part of your tribe. So if you want to learn what these 4 key elements are and how to use them, then just keep on watching. But first, if you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I make new videos every week all about how you can upgrade your mindset and strategy to confidently leverage video to build the business of your dreams. So the first element is your hook. Believe it or not, your hook is the most important part of your entire video. The average viewer attention span is about 8 seconds. Isn't that crazy? So you have about that long to convince them to stay and keep watching your video. No pressure, but this is why it's so important to grab them from the very beginning. This can be a quick 1-sentence summary about what they're going to learn or take away from your video. It can also be a question related to the topic of the video or a teaser that'll make people want to keep watching and see what led up to that point. The second element of your how-to video is your intro. Your intro should also be brief. Here you can welcome your viewers to your channel, let them know who you are, what you do, and what's in it for them. Short, sweet, and to the point. Remember that they have a problem they want solved, and not to mention, they don't know you yet. So you don't want to ramble on about yourself, especially in the beginning, because nobody gives a... That's just the truth. You can also include your first call to action here, such as, before we get started with the video, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. This can also be included at the end of your video, but considering what I mentioned previously about your audience's short attention span, you might want to play it safe and include it, get it over with right in the beginning. You can always remind them at the end of the video, but always let them know what to do next. Don't just assume they'll do it. The third element of your how-to video is the body. Your body is the meat of your video. This is what your audience is searching for. You want to organize your talking points in the appropriate order, break them down into steps, and even number them to make it easier for your viewers to follow along. Again, be careful not to ramble. You want your audience to retain as much of the information you're sharing as possible, and packing too much information in one video is just going to lose them. Think about when you're learning something for the first time, right? Such as driving a car or learning a new recipe. Having too much information thrown at you is pointless. All you need for right now are the important points. Include another call to action here, so ask your viewers to comment. You can ask them a question or you can ask for their opinion and then ask them to leave their response in the comments below. This is great because you're engaging with them and you're keeping them interested, which is also good for YouTube's algorithm. Hint, hint. YouTube places higher value on engagement versus numbers. And the fourth and final element of your how-to video is your closing or your outro. So recap, now your call to action can be in the form of an opt-in. You want to get them onto your email list or onto your website so you can continue building that relationship with them and help them on a deeper level. You can do this by offering a freebie related to the video topic. If your viewers have watched for this long, chances are they're interested in what else you have to offer. Remind them to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank them for watching, and you're done. So there you go. Now you have all of the information you need to be able to create your YouTube how-to videos. To help you prep for your future videos, I've included a link to a template I created that outlines all of the key points I mentioned in this video. Just click the link below to download. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with anyone who could also find it helpful. And if you have any questions at all related to what we discussed today, please go ahead and leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.